In this video, I will show you how to download Facebook Messenger chat conversation. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Facebook app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. On the menu page, you want to tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Once you get here, tap on the Account Center option. Now tap on Your Information and Permissions. Here, tap on Export Your Information. Then tap Create Export. Now, select your username. After that, choose where you want to export. Now, you have the option of customize information. Tap on that. Make sure to uncheck all of these options. Check only messages. Then tap on save. Now select your date range. Choose your preferred range. Once you have done that, head back. Now choose your format and media quality. Select highest if you want the highest quality. Once that is done, tap on the Start Export option. Facebook will now prepare your data. You will receive a notification via your registered email when ready. Your Facebook Messenger chat conversations will be available for download. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.